Wow! Ha? Wow! Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Mr. Kang.
My name is Roby.
And we are from Toyota Fairview.
Sir Kang, explain mo nga sa viewers natin nasan tayo today.
John, today po, nandito po kami sa Villar City, Bacoor. Ang Toyota po is having an event, Toyota Drive Fest. Yun.
It's a 3-day event, guys.
Yan.
So, yung may mga clients natin dyan na buying talaga this month, this is your chance and this is your best month to buy. Bakit?
Yes, kasi marami pong promotions ang ibibigay ng Toyota Fairview sa atin, within
3 days.
Yeah.
From May 20.
Today?
May 20.
Today. 23.
Sorry.
24.
Yes. Between May 23, 24 to 25.
Yeah. We are promoting Tamaraw and also all our hybrid electric vehicles. At the same time, yung mga GR units natin, sa totoo lang, ngayon po, meron tayong tinatawag na Toyota Gazoo Racing Philippines Cup,
Happening here at Villar City.
So, may racetrack yan. Alright. So, to all of our clients na mag-i-inquire po, dito mismo
Sa event.
Yes.
And sa dealer natin, have a chance to win of raffle draw up to, how much, sir?
170,000 po worth of discount pag dito po sa Villar City kayo nag-reserve ng unit niyo. And, sa amin naman, sa dealer naman kayo, kunya, di man kayo makapunta dito, pwede po kayo maka-discount po up to 120,000
Yes.
po.
We accept reservations through online. Andyan po yung mga online platforms namin. You can message us through Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and saan pa ba? Sa YouTube channel mo, Sir Kang, you can reach Sir Kang through his YouTube channel po.
Pwede rin. Text na lang, pwede, no?
Yes.
If you would like to grab this opportunity na baka kako makakuha tayo ng 170,000 worth of discount. If you would like to reserve a unit po within 23, 24, 25, pwede po.
Yung mga buying naman next month, ngayong month na kayo bumili kasi this is our special 3 days discount po.
Yan, okay? So please, sayang naman po ang mga discount natin. Okay? PM po kayo dito. Let us know. I-work out namin yan. Today po, i-feature din lang namin yung aming pinagmamalaking pangnegosyo.
Yes.
Yan, panlaban natin sa mga nagninegosyo. Ayun, no?
Andito makikita nyo, mga ma'am, sir, yung mga converted Tamaraw units namin. Halika, sir, papakita ko sa iyo yung ice creaman dun. Ayun.
Yes. Simulan natin. Yun. There you go. Ayan, no?
Look, guys. This is a converted unit of Tamaraw. Ginawa nilang ice cream on the go. So, yung may mga business na small business dyan, you can check this out po. So, this one naman is our Tamaraw Diner. Ito naman is ginawa nilang coffee on the go. Sir Cam, lapit ka. Makikita nyo, guys, yung conversion niya. This one.
Nice.
So, yung sa may mga dyan, magbe-business ng coffee shop, kung hindi nyo pa kaya magtayo ng store, this one is good for you. You can have this on special events like school events, concerts. At least wala na tayo masyadong requirement doon. Unit lang. Bibili lang kayo sa amin ng conversion ng Tamaraw. That's it. And then, you can have this one. Sir Kang, pakita mo sa kanila kung paano kinonvert. Ayan, you can have your stocks here, coffee here. Ayan sila, ma'am.
May na kami hingi ng libre kape.
And this one po. Pakita mo yung cabinets nila. O, diba? Meron na kayong instant coffee on the go po. At least, dito, makakasave kayo. Wala kayong binabayarang rent. Makikipag-coordinate lang kayo sa mga admins na nag-held ng event. Perfect to sa mga coffee lovers, business owners natin. Kung may mga existing coffee business naman kayo, pwedeng-pwede rin na on-the-go coffee.
It's another
We have
idea.
here another idea, converted it sa Toyota Mobile Service.
Sabi mo, another idea.
Ano? Hardware ba? Ano
Pwede.
ba?
Repair,
Mobile yan
auto
eh.
repair. Oo. Di ba?
Since na-showcase na natin yung mga Tamaraw converted units natin, Sir Kang, so yung mga palagi natin naririnig kay clients na anong requirements para ma-approve para sa Tamaraw?
Yun. Malamang, ano to? Ang pinaka-source of income natin ay
Business.
business.
Yes
So,
po. So, si TFS po guys, nagbibigay po siya ng approval sa may mga small micro business natin ng 10% down payment, 15% down payment po. Especially sa may mga existing business na.
Yes. Now, number one requirement po, bank statement. Latest 3 months sa mga nagninegosyo. Pero, what if wala kang bank statement? Ang meron po sila ay
DTI. So, other banks considered, since physical naman yung store natin, kahit walang bank statement si client, pwedeng-pwede.
DTI.
Yes po. Basta, ang business natin is nag-exist na at least 5 years.
Wait, there's more. Bago lang po. Kung wala kang bank statement or even ITR, ang TFS po tumatanggap mo ng GCash.
Wow! Ngayon ko lang narinig yan, sir.
Yes.
Pwede na guys ang GCash pala.
Yes po, GCash lang.
Kasi most of our clients in the business industry preferred online transaction.
GCash na lang, pwede. Alright?
Ayan na. Na
what
tayo
else?
makakapag-live. Ingay.
Oo nga, anyway, what else? Standard po, government ID, proof of billing, and that's it. Application. Pwede na magpa-approve po at makakuha ng Tamaraw para kayo po ay makapagpauwi na ng pangnegosyo at mag-expand na ang inyong negosyo. Okay? Thank you guys again. This is Mr. Cam.
This is Roby. Again, thank you for watching and catch us.
We'll see you soon.
We'll see you soon, guys, for our next event.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.